Hi guys, so this is a continuation from part one. This is part two. In part two, I'm going to show you how you can graph multiple variables in one graph. So in the first graph, we only graphed the height of the plant with no water and no sun over time. But in this graph, we want to show all three different plants in one graph. So we want to show the one with no water and no sun, we want to show the one with some shade and some water, and the one with some water and full sunlight. So let's go ahead and enter in the rest of our data. So again, I'm just gonna go down the list just like how I have it in this data chart. So let's go ahead and label column C. This one is going to be the height of the plant with 10 milliliters of water and some shade. Okay, and D right here is going to be the height of the plant with 20 milliliters of water and full sunlight. Height of plant, water and full sunlight. Perfect. There. And then I'm going to enter this data right here. There you go. And this data right here, 0, so it was 0 inches, 1 inch, 1 inch, and 2 inches. Perfect. So now we have all of our data, and we want to show all of this data in this chart here. So just like last time, you're going to go to here where it says trace, and we're going to add another line. So the x-axis is still going to be the date of observation. The y-axis for this chart here, this is the orange chart, we want it to be the height of the plant with 10 milliliters of water and some shade. So let's do that. And then we'll add one more for the third set of data, and this one's going to be the height of the plant with 20 milliliters of water and full sunlight. Perfect. And there we go. You can see that what's really cool is that Plotly will automatically kind of create these labels for you, so we can tell the different lines apart, and you can immediately compare the three different plants in one graph, which could be really helpful when you're trying to figure out what exactly does your data mean, right? It's really hard to tell what your data means when it's this form, but once you graph it, you could really visualize it and kind of understand, okay, so which one had the most growth, right? So with that being said, we want to change the y-axis because the y-axis no longer just shows the height of the plant with no water and no sun. It actually shows the height of the plant in general, right? So let's go ahead and change that. Let's delete this. Ah, why is it not working? And again, just like last time, we don't want to just leave it as height of plant because we have no idea what these numbers mean. What unit of measure did we use? Well, according to the data table that you created, it's in inches. So you're going to go ahead and put inches in parentheses. And there we go. On the x-axis, we have the data of observation, and the y-axis shows the height of the plant in inches. And we have three different trials graphed at the same time. And just let's just finally change the title, and we're going to call it height of plant over time. Height of plant, this graph is showing us the height of plant over time with differing amounts of sun and water. Perfect. And there you go. And then save it, make it public, and then just like last time, when you're ready to print, you're going to go to export, download the file, print it. If you want to share it with someone, you're going to click on share. You can send them the link, or you can add them as a collaborator. And that's it.